Welcome to the front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we have the same wallpaper on our device lock screen as on our device home screen. So now just to change the lock screen wallpaper, let's launch the settings application. And after that, tap here on the display section and just scroll a little bit down and click to the wallpaper. Now we can select our new lock screen wallpapers from our device default wallpapers, photos, the Google photos on our Google disk, or also from our device previously taken on our device camera photos, and for example downloaded from the internet. So let's use our device default wallpaper, for example this one. Click here on the right down corner to OK and select the lock screen. Now we have here the message that our wallpaper set successfully. So as can you see, that's so simple. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press one from your device home screens and then tap here on the wallpaper section. By the same way, just select for example the default wallpapers or our device photos. For example, let's go to the camera photos, let's use this one. After that, tap here on the left down corner and click here to the lock screen. So now we can see that this wallpaper is set successfully to our device lock screen. Let's check, and as can you see, what has do it without any problems. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.